Hello, my friends. I'm excited to share these items with you because I have a feeling you might need one or two or all three of them. Today's kind of like catch-up day. What do I mean? That means that these are items you might already have, but you might not. They are re-releases from maybe a past kit that we had, maybe from when I worked at Sizzix, or just anything like that. So for example, this actually I think came in one of our classes at one time. This is the Wave Stencil. So if you missed out on this one, now is your chance to get this one for a limited time. Once this one is gone, it is gone forever. So make sure you get that ASAP. The next one is our A1 card Fold-it Cupcake. This was in a kit at one time, so now is your chance to get this one. Also A1 Circle Flip It. So now is your chance to get these two items right now, ASAP. They came in past kits back in the day, but now is your chance to get these. So go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click that like and subscribe buttons, and we've added some featured videos that you might want to check out on the screen. So check out one of those and make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel because we always release new videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.